Now here's how you can remove the silent mode from the iPhone but without using the mute button. So as you know, the iPhones either have the mute switch or the action button. But if you don't want to use that, you can most definitely have some other options for you. So you can, for example, swipe down to access the control center and you can add the silent mode toggle right there. So you can basically, if you don't have it there already, you can just add it up from the options, right? So you can just make it appear like this, or you can go ahead and also find it inside of the settings, right? So if you go to your settings app, you can go to the sound section, and there you should be able to find the mute button. Keep in mind that this only applies to the iPhones with the action button instead of the mute switch. So it's like the iPhone 15 Pro, 16 Pro, and of course the latest 17 Pro as well. But on the iPhones with the mute switch, what you can do is to still set up a Siri shortcut. So you should have the shortcuts application like this ready on your phone, and inside of the shortcut section you can create a brand new one, and you can essentially just set up the silent mode in here. So you can make the iPhone just turn off the sound right here and have the shortcut ready as you please, right? So whenever you want, you can just use it like this. But that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future videos.